I am on a journey to grow my hair down to my bum, and my skin is benefiting. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing a protective style, my favorite protective style, which is single braids. They might be mini, they might be micro, they might be in the middle, but this is what I do to ensure that my hair is retaining optimum length. And I am doing this style in particular today because I have used some pretty terrible products in the past few weeks because I'm in Ghana right now. I've used some of the hair care products that some people recommended to me in reality over here that have damaged my hair a little bit, and I am on a journey to grow my hair down to my bum at least before the end of next year. I had to get the K18. This is what it looks like. I put like 4 pumps in each quadrant of my hair, as you can see, and this is a leave-in treatment. It isn't really a leave-in conditioner, but it works better than the conditioners that I have been using here so far. Before I applied this to my hair, I washed my hair thoroughly. I did like 2 cleanses with 2 different shampoos, my head and shoulder of course, and my Elan shampoo. And once my hair was squeaky clean and I went in with this, I didn't use any other conditioner because I don't have any other conditioner. Wait, I still have some of my leave-in conditioner from Nigeria left, so I'm going to be using that to do the rest of my hair. I'm going to mix it with the shea butter and some of the coconut cream that I got here in Ghana. So tools that I'll be using for this protective style would be my spray bottle, hair shears for when I'm done with the braids so that I can get rid of all the damaged ends, a white tooth comb because I'm going to be working in small sections, so this would help me to detangle those small sections, and the tail of a rat tail comb. So let's start. I also want to know that before I washed my hair, I did my regular hot oil treatment, left it in overnight so that my hair wouldn't be too dry after the cleanse since I was not going in with conditioner. Before I start, I just want to take a moment. I have to zoom this in to admire my skin. I have been struggling with acne for the longest time, and my skin is like 97% like bump free. I don't know about spot free, but bump free. And I started Tretinoin in January, end of January. I started it up again because I've been using it off and on for years now, mostly on, but apparently I didn't know how to use it. I was using it way too often and I was not using the proper amount, so it never really worked for me like that. But I have finally gotten a handle on it and my skin is benefiting. When I first started using the Tretinoin, my skin was destroyed. There is no other way I can explain how my skin looked. Like I was at the airport and a lady had to stop me to recommend skincare products to me. She's a skincare specialist, so we exchanged numbers because she felt so bad for me. But look at my face. We are almost there. The face is almost clear. So let's get into this. First section is down. I'm just going to go in with water for the roots because my roots don't act, and go in with the little leave-in conditioner that I have left. This is from Nature's Gentle Touch. So put down the hair, paying very close attention to the ends because that is where I need it most. On top of all of that, I'm going to be applying the shea butter. Again, paying very close attention to my ends. First piece has been carved out, and I'm just going to ensure that there are no tangles, make the first piece smooth. This is why I have a comb like this for moments when I need to get into really small sections. A brush is just going to make everything disorganized. I'm also going in with some edge control just to make the parts clean and make the braid smooth. This is what it looks like. Let's put that on there. Now, right off the bat, this piece is too small. I am done with this second braid, and this size is more comfortable. And looking at my ends, I definitely need to take off maybe, I am seeing like an inch and a half of damage, but I'm going to be taking it off gradually, maybe half an inch at a time. So I'm going to check in when this quadrant is complete. Listen to this. 9:54 p.m. It took me 52 minutes because I actually stopped this at 9:52. Took me 52 minutes to finish this quadrant. So let's keep going. I'll check in when this half of my hair is done. 10:51 p.m. Lord, that took me an hour. Now, the back half is complete and it's definitely giving mini braids and my ends are definitely giving damaged. This is what it looks like. So I am definitely going to have to start trimming my hair gently. Another thing I want to mention is I don't think I'm going to be doing hot oil treatments with my hair out again. It was more messy than usual. It was getting into my eyes and menthol is in my oil, so it was extremely painful and uncomfortable, and not to mention that the oils were making my vision blurry. So doing hot oil treatments when my hair is out, nah, not doing that. I'm only going to do the hot oil treatments when my hair is like in this state, braided up, more controlled and all that. 11:50 p.m. Now, this front side took 15 minutes, and I am happy to announce that not all of my hair has like bad ends. It's not bad ends all around. So that's good because it means that the trims will not be as severe. So let's keep going. Let's see. 12:42 a.m. So it's 12:42 and I started doing my hair at 9 a.m., which is approximately 3 hours and 42 minutes. It's time for the trim. So I'm going to put my hair up in a rubber band first. So I'm going to be taking down the braids one by one, then dusting it. I'm not going to cut off much because I want this deliverance to be a gradual process. I'm not in a hurry, just like that. Taking it down one by one, just like that. I'm taking off half an inch. I'm done with the trim. It is time to go in with this Luster's Silk Coconut Cream, because God knows that this is not an oil. This smells amazing. I'm going to use it to seal my ends. Again, remember, oiling your ends every day helps to lubricate them, and lubrication helps to prevent friction. friction from clothes, friction from things around you, friction from cotton, if, especially if you sleep on cotton. So this is very important. Yeah, get that all in. This is what my hair looks like after the trim. Everything is healthy. I am going to have to be trimming my ends every single time I take them down to redo them, which is going to be maybe every month and a half, to ensure that by the time this hair growth challenge is over, all my dead ends, my split ends, damaged ends, what have you, will be gone. Still mid back, cause, and I'm very happy about that. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please consider liking, and if you want to see more content from me, consider subscribing so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Love you and choose.